Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to add 2 hours 26 minutes and 21 seconds with 10 hours 21 minutes and 16 seconds. So let's carry forward our calculation. So we have 2 hour plus 26 minutes plus 21 seconds. So we can break the first time in this form, that is 2 hour plus 26 minutes plus 21 second. So let this be equals T1 and T2 equals 10 hours plus 21 minutes plus 16 seconds. Okay. Now according to the question, we have been asked to find the value of T1 plus T2. Okay. Now see, 21 second plus 16 second will give us, so 21 plus 16 will be equals 37 second. So over here we have 37 second plus then 26 minutes plus 21 minutes will give us, so 6 plus 1 will again become 7 and 2 and 2 is 4, so it will be 47 minutes and 10 hour plus 2 hour will give us 12 hour. So upon adding both the times, our final result will be 12 hours 47 minutes and 37 seconds. Therefore we can say that T1 plus T2 equals 12 hour 47 minutes and 37 second. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.